So, just FYI, I'm on a week of prednisone, which I started yesterday. This typically hasn't done much more in the past than cause bloat, like I need that. But I guess with age, I'm feeling more of its effects this time round. So, with minimal sleep and nerves so raw, were I not so sensible, I would spend this time with you today screaming and crying about the lack of anything beyond band-aids that the governments of the world are giving to Ukraine. Enough to keep fighting, yes. Not enough to win. And the insane MAGA politicians who with the orange homunculus sup at Putin's teat, while all manner of evil criminal war crimes are leveled at Ukraine. No, I won't do that. I will go with this brutal but gentle moment from the brilliant lady of the war coffee. Today from her at least once daily war coffee posts on X. We have not a poem, but this, which might as well be. Air raid alert by Yaroslava Antipina. Air raid alert. A small boy is crying. He holds popcorn in his tiny hands. Probably he couldn't watch the cartoon till the end. His father is calming him down. Don't cry, my angel. It's a training alert. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. It's not a training alert, of course. But what the father should tell to his small son. That Russians want to kill all of us? Air raid alert by Yaroslava Antipina. Please use the links to assist the ongoing humanitarian efforts in Ukraine. If you like this, please give me a like, a share, a comment. I'll see you tomorrow.